Good morning, friends. Let's talk about daily commodity commentary and its technical levels. Yesterday, we have noticed that gold again made a new lifetime high of 49,348 levels. And in international market, gold touched the high of $18 per ounce after 12 years. Even if we check silver also yesterday increased by 2.35% and touched the high of 51,550 levels. And in international market, it's also touched the high of $18.77 per ounce. On the back of increasing case in coronavirus, the safe haven demand has increased in gold and silver. So we have noticed that gold increased sharply. Since the trend is positive in gold and silver, we are recommending to buy gold and silver for intraday perspective on a dip. Gold has a strong support at 48,800, resistance at 49,500. Silver has a strong support at 50,800 and resistance at 52,000. So we recommend buy in gold and silver on a dip. Now let's talk about the base metal. Yesterday we have noticed that base metal also increased sharply. Copper increased by 0.96% and other metals also increased sharply. Zinc increased by 1.97%. If we check nickel also increased sharply and able to close above 1010 levels and increase by 0.72% and touch the new contract high. So all the base metal traded on a positive note on the back of resume of major economies and resume of major industrial activity, which creates the demand for the base metal, and we have noticed that all base metal increase sharply. For intraday perspective, we expect that positive trend will remain same, will continue in base metal. Copper has a strong support at 476 and resistance at 486. Zinc has a strong support at 164, resistance at 172. So we are expecting all the base metal will trade on a positive note. So we recommend buy in base metals. Now let's talk about the agricultural energy segment. Crude oil also increased by 0.33% and closed at 3073 levels. And in international market, crude oil WTI crude oil trading around 40.83 levels. Crude oil also showing a positive trend from last couple of days as the demand is going to increase and expectation of production cut by OPEC plus members. So this will also supportive for the crude oil prices. So we recommend also a positive trend will remain continue in crude oil. So we recommend buy in crude oil on a dip. For intraday perspective, crude has a strong support at 2980, resistance at 3150 levels. Now let's talk about the agriculture segment. Yesterday we have noticed that all agricultural commodities were traded on a positive note on the back of weaker monsoon in Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab. We have noticed that guar seed, guar gum were traded on a positive side. So we expecting today also these agricultural commodities will trade on a positive note. So we recommend buy on dips on agricultural commodities, be particular in jeera, turmeric, guar seed and guar gum. However, if we talk about the edible oil also segment also increased sharply yesterday on the back of demand increase by the domestic miller. However, imports are less, but demand is also going to increase. So we expect edible oil segment will trade on a positive note today also. I hope that you will get benefited from this commentary. Thank you.